Hey guys, I just got this in. This is a Playard sheet. Now I'm gonna take it out. It is 100% cotton. So a lot of people I know, they wanted to see how thick this was, and maybe that goes with the price and everything, right? And you can kind of see my hand through it. Kind of see my skin color. So that's how thin this is. But it does feel like cotton, and it does have this elastic on the sides. So let me just open all the way around. Well, depending on your crib size, this would fit in your crib. For most of you, I would guess no. But for some of you, yes. And for your Playards, this should just fit fine. Because at the end of the day, this does stretch quite a lot. But hey, the measurements are in the website itself, so you guys can check that out. This video is really for you to see the quality and how it feels and all that stuff. I can tell you it's very, very thin, a little bit more thin than what I thought it would be. But it's okay. It's gonna do the job. For the price, I guess it's alright. Here's the tag on it. And there's nothing more in it. There we go. There's a little bit more information for you to see. But as far as this video goes, that's it. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.